Hey, this is Frank, and in today's video, we're going to be unboxing an H-Case 2026 Hot Wheels mainline box. Now, this box is going to have the Lotus E-Spirit for the Super Treasure Hunt, and for the regular mainline Treasure Hunt, in this case, it's going to be the Total Disposal. Little garbage truck action. So when you're opening up a case, and for this one, this is going to be, again, the H case. You see that on the side. The top is going to have the regular treasure hunt. We're going to start there. All right, let's see what we have in the H case. All right, let's start off with the treasure hunt in here. For the H case regular treasure hunt, it's going to be this Total Disposal. You're going to see that regular treasure hunt logo on there, as well as in the artwork. Really hard to see on this one, but there is that logo in the back along with the congratulations saying you got this. So here is the regular treasure hunt. Pretty cool. All right, let's see what else we have. We have Bounce and Base with the pink on there, the details, the pinstriping, and this was the last case, Honda Civic Custom. This was the Super in the last case. So we're seeing it appear here in its regular form. And the Gordon Murray Automotive T.33. Got that green, very dark green on there. Next we have the 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. Got the details with the graphics on there. With the red windows tinted on there. All right, another bounce and face. Here we have the mid-mill. And we got the Hot Wheels graphics on the side. Definitely a fun little fantasy, hot rod inspired Rod Squad. Next we have a tuned Volkswagen Golf MK1. Look at those graphics on the side. This is a fun one right here. The red on the bottom. The tuned cars are always fun. Next we have the BMW 635 CSI. The graphics on the side there. Here we have another fantasy. This is new for 2026, this casting, and this is twin tags. And as you can see, this is meant to go on your luggage when you're traveling. Pretty cool. There is this little cutout that you can cut out, put your information, slide that in there, have that little loop. It'll be fun to see these in the different colors they come out with. Next, we have the Ford Mustang Mach-E 1400. Got that little horse-like graphic right on the side. Electrical vehicle. And we have another tuned Purple Passion car in here. And look at the graphics on the side of that. It has those flames. Got the E-Woods on there. And open window on the side. Check out the wheels back there. That is a fun tuned car. And this is new for 2026. Another new cool casting. Let's take a look. We got the Comet Cyclone 65 Mercury Comet Cyclone. Some American muscle. All right, next we have Mach Speeder. Another exotic cars example right there. And let's take a look. Next, the 70 Dodge Hemi Challenger with that 70 on the side. This little silver detail on there is a nice touch. Next, we have Ferrari with a Dyno 206 GT in red, looking sharp. New for 2026. Definitely a car that I'm happy to be adding to the collection. Next, we got the 64 Lincoln Continental in orange. A striking color, very bold choice. And next we have the Mazda AutoZam in this purple with that little green livery on the side. And we have another fantasy super twin mill car here. And speaking of fantasy, here is the roller toaster. Cool little feature on there. You can pop that toast on there with a little, so something fun to do with this in pink. Next we have the 59 Chevy Impala, and look at this with the neon green. Interesting choice on there. As you could see on the graphic, they had the windows, but this does not have the windows on the side. But that white, black, and green details on the side look really cool on this car. It really stands out with that green. Next, it's the 20 Toyota GR Supra with this nice yellow, orange, red stripe detail. Really small on there. Not going too crazy with the colors. You have that black on there, and this is really clean. This is going to be one that does not sit on the pegs from this case. All right. And we have the Porsche 911 Carrera T in black with the gold details. This is new for 2026. All your Porsche fans can have that in black. And we have Purple Passion in all its glory. Let's take a look. On this side, we're seeing the Hightail Chaser. And take a look at that fin on there. That is definitely a Hightail with the silver and the blue, white details. And another fantasy car right here. We have the X-Steam. It has a little special feature. You could flip that up and down. And a Gone Mad for the wagons. A little copper color on there. And then we have the Track Ripper, another fantasy-inspired car right here. Silver with the yellow bottom on there. And another cool car right here. Check out this van, Honda Odyssey. Let me pull in this close so you can see the graphics on there. Really fun details. They really packed it in on here. Check that out. This is really cool. And then the Honda on the front, the white interior, and they have a little Honda Moto. Can't remember the name. The little scooter that folds up. That's back there. I think there might be two in the back, but really cool. This is a favorite of mine so far in here. Another tuned. Let's take a look. This is the 17 Audi RS6 Avant. This is kind of like a pearl color, champagne. color on that one. And here is a 1983 Porsche 928S. Really cool in this color, this black with that silver fading in there. Really great tampo work on there. Definitely a fast looking car. This is fun. And look at that, it's got the skylight on there. Sorry, the sunroof. Yeah. That's always fun right there. El Segundo Rally. Look at that right there in red, black. And another Ferrari. Take a look at this. This is the Ferrari SF90 Stradale with the red rims on there and black with the red interior. Definitely a great casting and color for this case. Everybody's gonna be looking for this one. Got another copy of that Impala, and we have a Mailed It fantasy casting right here. Take a look at that. Now let's take a look at the bottom of this case. Are we going to see that Lotus Super, or are we going to see the dud? So it should be sparkling. And let's take a look. And I believe we have a dud because I see this orange. It should be. Let's take a look at right here. This nice Spectra color look, but nope, that is the dud. That flat orange. But a really fun casting on there. It looks really fast. Look at that detail on the front. Now this is going to be a really cool super defined, but let's just put this aside and take a look at what else we got in this case. We have the Ford F-150 Lightning Super Truck. That's new for 2026. And looks like we have this Mercedes-Benz, the CLA Hot Wheels collaboration, new for 2026. So it's going to be interesting to see what they do with this casting, because as you can see, it's really funky on here. And if you're into this type of, color schemes and things like that, this is definitely something that you'll be interested in. But really cool seeing this. Let's see what else we have. The 69 Chevelle in green. Looks like it's like a translucent plastic on there. Coming back with the standard cart for Mario Kart. And we have another Panji Zonda Sync. Look at that. The exotic cars, a little tuned action. This is new for 2026. And making a comeback is the classic TV series Batmobile in purple. All right. And right here we have the Datsun 620. Orange pickup, look at that. Details on the stripes on the side, looking good. And here we have the Cadillac Celestiq in blue. That's new for 2026. And we have Ragin' Express in this black and gold with the red and tan details. Really nice to see it, that color scheme. And a classic 55 Nomad. Here we have the 41 Willys. This is in this purple mauve color. Here we have the Monster High Ghoul-mobile. And the 70 Ford Escort RS 1600 in this brown, kind of copperish color. Looking very old school. The front headlights on there. Got the VW ID Buzz Bomb. And making a return is Quick Chat in this black and white scheme with that red, orange, and yellow on the front. We have La Libre in white as well. And for all the Formula One fans, we have the Kick Sabor F1 team right here. The black, green, and white. Here's the custom auto. Check that out. And I think I was wrong. This was the Supra before this, if I'm not mistaken. I think I mistakenly said it was that Honda. I was probably mistaken on that. Got the Desert Drifter in orange. And last in here is going to be Head Gasket rounding out this case. All right, that's the H case. Here are your supers. This is the dud. And here is your regular treasure hunt. So this is what you're going to be looking for when you hit that H case on the pegs or when you find a case. Until I see you in the next video, thanks for watching.